Good morning, children. Today we're going to be blending, and we're going to be blending short vowels. Now, alphabetically, this sounds like W. W short is W. So, W-A-G-on, wagon. Wagon is what the cowboys used to use to get from one end of the country to the other end with all their belongings inside. Now, circle, square, triangle, heart, star. Line 1, all the vowels. Sorry. A, I, O. Line 2, W-E, we, W-A, wa, W-E, we, W-O, wo, W-I, we, W-A-G, wag, R-A-G, rag, S-A-G, sag, T-A-G, tag, B-A-G, bag, B-E-L, bell, F-E-L, fell, W-E-L, well, J-E-L, gel, T-E-L, tell, N-E-T, nut, B-E-T, but, M-E-T, mut, H-E-T, hut, R-E-T, rut, H-O-P, hop, T-O-P, top, P-O-P, pop, M-O-P, mop, St-O-P, stop, T-A-G, tag, is, W-E-T, wet. This is a sentence. At the beginning of a sentence, you always have a capital letter. Tag, I believe, is a duck, and it says tag is wet. Her is his, rug, rug, is wet, wet. So, reading this line, it tells me that tag is actually a dog. So, her is his, rug, rug, is wet, wet. His rug is wet. Now, wag, it's what the dog does with his tail. Rag, it's something like, this is a rag. You use it for cleaning. Sag. Sag is when you have a line like that and then you go, ooh, sag. Tag. Tag is something like this that will say how much everything costs. Okay, you will have it on your shirt. Bag. Bag is something that ladies carry so they can keep their money inside and other things like perfume. Bell. Bell can either be rung, pulled, or pushed, and they all sound different. But if you're at school, between lessons, you hear the bell ring. Fell. If I tripped and I fall, once I have fallen, I have felled. So fell. Well means that I am okay or somewhere where I can get water. Gel is a dessert that wobbles. Tell is when you tell me a story or you say something to me or somebody else. Nut either means that you're crazy because you are a nutter, or it's like a fruit. You can eat it and it's high in good cholesterol and fats. But can be good or bad. You can say, I like you, but you smell. Or you can say, I like you, but I would like you more if you smelt nice. Mutt is a dog that has no real daddy. Hut. Hut is a small wooden building. In England, we have them at the bottom of the garden. It has one door, one window. And we keep everything that we do not want in the house inside there. It's called a hut. A rut. A rut is when you're driving in the road and all of a sudden it goes like that. So your car has to follow this until it stops. It's called a rut. Hop. It's what frogs do. They hop. And you can hop on one leg yourself. Top. This is the top of the whiteboard, so it means the top. Pop is when you see a balloon and it goes bang, and then you have no balloon. Pop. It's also another word for Coca-Cola or Fanta. Mop. Mop is used for cleaning the floor. Mop. Stop. Stop means you have to stop, because if you continue, a car might hit you. So be careful. When you see this word outside, do what it says. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy your work. Don't forget, make me a nice video. Take deep breaths and do it slowly. It's not a race. Thank you.